Alright, we just finished our family run. And how you feel?
I feel good.
How you feel, Leah?
Tired.
Tired. How you feel, babe? Feel like, woo. How you feel? Oh yeah, Carla. You feel good? That's what I'm talking about. Hey, the family that run together, live long together. Hope everybody have an amazing, amazing day. And I'll see you next week on the next video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Come join the high life.